I know what you're thinking right now. You're looking at your Shibaswap rewards. You're not happy. You think it's a scam, or you think you should have more bones because you bury so much Shiba, or you bury so much bone, you bury so much leash, and you're just not happy with them right now. Well, let me tell you what my thoughts of this whole process, and let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Let's dive into the Shibaswap rewards right now. But before I do this, Shiba and Webull is going to become a tandem. And what's going to happen is Shiba is coming to Webull very, very soon. And they're getting even a step closer of doing that. Click on the link below, sign up for your free account. And then when you deposit $5 to their account, you'll be eligible for a $2,000 and over $2,000 investment, or $2,000 value for those stocks. So you definitely want to go ahead and do that, or you can just wait to get Shiba on Webull. So let's go ahead and dive into the content of the Shibaswap. Now, when I look at my account, I only have 3 bones buried. Now remember, we have about 1 billion Shiba that's being buried. So I'm thinking, okay, should I get more? Here's the thing about that. Yes, I would love to have more. We all would love to have more. But here's the thing that you may be missing out on this. Now, if I look at the value of bone, it's only $1.43. It's not that high. It's actually on sale to accumulate, in my opinion. But when I look at bone now, I'm not seeing the rewards. I'm not seeing the value. And so, but here's the thing. And 6 to 7, 8 months later, I could see some really good value on bone. Because think about it. I've got 97 unwolfable bone. So I can't touch that until January. Now, let's say in January, bone is $30. So now, $97 times 30, that's $2,900. That's the value. You're not going to see your value to any of these buried bones as much until the value of bone actually increases. And that's the thing about it, though. So you're so focused on, I want to get a little bit of bone, which of course, we all would like more bone. Or you're looking at bone as $1.43. You may be thinking there's something wrong with bone. Here's the thing. Before things explode, they got to go through a process where it is probably on sale, in a sense, because that actually helps it in a way, because you're like, okay, the average person can say, you know what, I'm going to get a bunch of Shiba and a bunch of bone, but long term, he or she's thinking, in time, this is going to break. Just like on the Shiba price. Shiba is this price now. Do you know 1 year ago, it had 9 zeros in this price? 9 zeros. And you know, a year from now, it's not going to have 5 zeros. It could be only 2 zeros on the board. Possibly. And so the value of Shiba is not necessarily right now. That's not what you're looking for profits right now on Shiba. You're looking down the road. And that's why you invest into Shiba. It's low priced, and you're thinking and you're hoping, and based off your research, it's going to go high in price. So you're thinking about, you're going to get your value down the road. You're not looking at your value right now. And it's the same thing when you look at bone. The value of bone is not right now, even if you only get 1 bone or half a bone, because bone's value is going to be down the road, 4, 5, 6 months from now, maybe a little bit earlier, maybe a little bit later than I just announced. So just think about it. You're just collecting the potential, the future value of what you're staking or what you're bearing. That's how you got to look at it. And you look at bone 143, maybe I can accumulate a little bit more, or maybe I'll wait till it drops in price to get more. That's your decision that you need to make. But I'm looking at down the road, because when I look at 27 unwolfable bone, I'm thinking in my mind, by January, that thing may be 10, 20, 30, 40, $50. So that's when I see my value, and that's where that I'm going to reap the benefits. So just look at it differently. Don't look at today your profit. You look at down the road of your profit. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll give you another example. Cardano, a year from now, it was around 11 to 12 cents. You know, Cardano now, it's almost $3. You gotta look at down the road. Don't look at today. And here's another reason why I believe Shiba could move in price. It's getting listed on Webull. And so this is another piece that helps more investors to get into the Shiba ecosystem, because Webull is a very respectable place to buy stocks, and then very soon Shiba. So when you click on the link below, and when you invest $5 into your account, you get that $2,000 value. But not only that, you put yourself in the position to buy Shiba on Webull. So click on the link below, get started with Webull, and understanding Shibaswap, it's gonna be just fine. I'll see you on the next video.